filming a video and I do this, you move the camera to where I'm pointing. Yeah. I go like this and he moves it that way. Welcome back. No. Alright, welcome back to Rap Lab. The Model Y is done. That's our previous video. You guys can go click on that. Click right here. It'll be in the video right here. Put it here. Okay, so next up we have this Model S. It's a brand new one I can show you. As you can see, it is the new ones, which have the yoke, which is very cool. And actually, if you come in here, you'll see the color we're doing. It's already been changed on the display. So this one is going to get done green. Should be awesome.
Really nice deep green.
Very nice deep green. Okay, whatever. We're going to wash this and then let it sit. We're going to disassemble it tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. This is getting picked up soon. If you guys watch that video. Disassembled, which means front bumper, headlights, the liner in here. Okay, so the trim's been removed. The taillights are out. So tomorrow we're gonna start wrapping. Oh, side skirts are removed too. Yeah. Side skirts. So moving right along, you can see this fender is all complete. Looks amazing. Wait till you see it in the sun. All these shop lights are a bit dark. Cause it's cheap, motherfucker. No, just. And then Ennis is doing this side. Looking good. We're gonna do the hood next.
We do tints too, by the way.
So we clayed and alcoholed the door, put the knifeless up, cleaned in the door jambs, and then right before we wrap it, we hit it with a tack cloth in case there's any dust that has fallen on it. We've taped this off so that when Danny does his cutting, he doesn't cut the trim like he always does. No, I'm just kidding. Hood is done, both fenders are done, doors are done. This has been laid, but it has to be tucked, which Danny does because I don't know how to do anything. But, all that's left is the front bumper, the rear bumper, which Danny is putting knifeless tape on. We're going to do a little time lapse of us doing that, so you guys will see that. And the trunk. Is it a trunk or is it a tailgate?
Lift gate, trunk, whatever.
The lift gate. And then we're done. Do you see all the pillars are done? Doors are done. Fenders are done. We might bolt this back, we might not, we'll see.
He said.
Wo du Moment nicht, den letzter Deutsch, so cool. Ami Paul.
Come here,
Ami is a Dolores Bożeństwo. Amen. Windows are tinted. You guys saw Odai do that. I'm looking for a T30. So can we film after I find that? Tesla's done. It's green, tinted. What was the tint? 35?
35.
35% all the way
Ceramic.
around. And this is gonna show you some B-roll after, but car looks amazing. It's probably the favorite color I've done. We've done. I did it, wrapped it myself. Just kidding. No. I'm so happy it's done. So good. Oh, I don't know, because we're not allowed to go eat. Did you order some for yourself? This is mine, bro. You see me working, right? I'm trying to document it, because old dog over there won't pay me. You know? And here, the cameras. Odai.
Wait, bro.
I'm filming Odai!
We're literally filming.
When you have your own business, you can talk to the camera.
How do you tell us how you feel about your boss?
I love my boss. I love him so much. Dude, I'm...
Teach.
What tongue did you?